Well, I think with two educators, it's pretty obvious that we support schools and feel that schools make strong communities, and we've decided we want to do something that will hopefully last after we're long gone. And we picked the nature idea because it's something that appeals to both of us, and it's been an important piece of our life, and I think we now know there are tremendous benefits for kids from their time in nature.
I'm impressed by research that shows how much being in nature, outside in nature, benefits kids, their mental health and their physical health. It's relaxing, promotes great mental benefits, spawns curiosity. We'd like to see this sort of thing spread throughout the district.
I think I would be very happy if teachers would be innovative and creative in getting kids out, whether it's in art, nature photography, whether it's digging in the dirt in a school garden, maybe it's a summer internship for a high school student, maybe it's just having some serious playtime in nature through a summer school class of some sort. I mean, the sky's the limit.
Yeah, well, we're both from rural backgrounds in southeast Nebraska. Kath grew up on a farm, and I spent a lot of time on my grandpa's farm just outside the town we lived in, and he was a really great naturalist. I have many, many fond memories walking around with him, looking at strange bugs or this interesting rock, and I just have a lot of, I hunted on the farm, did a lot of fishing, our family camped a lot. So that left a strong footprint on how I think and what I became interested in.
Yeah, and I, like Rob said, I grew up in a rural area and I took it for granted. It was just the way it was, and I didn't think a lot about it until now. I see so many kids in urban environments, hooked up to technology a lot, and I think I've realized the importance of it more as I've gotten older.
Well, and this is such a great area to do environmental outdoor education in.
Yeah.
It's a unique spot in the world, and to not exploit this would be a crying shame. So we really look forward to getting more people out and about. Even though we're in the midst of this, many families have not really experienced much in the way of outdoors.
Well, when I was teaching in the district and in administration as well, they are very conscious of the urban limitations that some children live within, and that's another big reason that I feel getting them out in nature whenever we can is a good thing. So anything that teachers can do to expand those opportunities for all kids, that's a good thing. Personally, I think the Crosse Public Education Foundation is the perfect way to support teachers, to instill some sense of creativity and innovation, and they do such a great job of managing funds like this. So it's a great way for the public to decide they want to support public education in a certain way and know that it's really going to be well used, and a fund like this goes on forever.